Well, today they came to
Wow, look at this.
build our fence, and then everything was going very smoothly. Look at this machine.
Wow, this is
Let's just
this
grab
is
it,
so good. Look at the
the dust,
fence.
and
Now they
put
are filling the
it
hole.
down. Nobody is going to do it, only the machine. The man is just standing, pressing the button, and the machine is doing its own work by himself. This is so beautiful to look at. Today, and the weather was so nice. It's cold outside, but not really windy, not raining. Everything is going very smooth. I did tell you. I did tell you. Things. Man, look, it's like crab. It's just holding it so hard and put it. And then there was a car coming, but the man is saying that something is standing over there. They are removing the dust. He can just go to the other way, but he was standing looking. I think he was admiring what the man was doing. Okay, and then the work went so smoothly. My goodness, we can't ask for more. We are so happy, so excited.
Yeah,
Now he's going back. He's going to the other side.
But there is no way.
Yes, it is how it is, my dear. You can move
The work is going on.
because the machine, the tipper is not moving. The tipper is standing and doing its work. Yes, this is it. I am so grateful because seeing our fence is going the way we wanted it is a very big miracle for me. Look at this. This is so good blessing. Look at this one. And then grab another one. Yeah. Leave it out and grab.